Over the last year, I've been studying meditation and begun my daily practice of this. During my study, I came across a concept that again resonated with me to the point that I really dug into the research. It is the concept of Shinrin-yoku in Japanese, or forest bathing. The concept started with the forestry department in Japan, making a hypothesis that people are healthier if they spend time in the forest. As it turns out, there is a significant body of evidence supporting this. Spending time in a forest lowers our serum cortisol, lowers blood pressure, lowers heart rate, and boosts a specific type of immune cell. It changes our physiology in as little as one short hike, lasting less than 2 hours. As soon as I read it, I reflected on the many hours I've spent in the backcountry of the beautiful mountains of the western United States. Places such as Yellowstone, the Grand Tetons, Zion's National Park, and the Grand Canyon. I've hiked along in the rainforests of the western edge of Vancouver Island in British Columbia. I've hiked the hills and valleys of southern Germany. And no matter the country, I've felt at peace, whole, healed, when I have spent time among the stately trees of the forest. Now, why do I feel this way? What causes us to feel more connected and grounded when we spend time in nature? It has to do with a chemical called phytoncides. Phytoncides are molecules that come from the plants of the forest. These are molecules you may be familiar with, such as alpha and beta pinene, bornyl acetate, and limonene. One of the trees found in the forests of northern United States and across Canada is black spruce. This oil has a woody, refreshing scent. Its chemistry is largely bornyl acetate, but also has alpha pinene in significant amounts. This oil helps us be in the forest when we just can't make it to the forest. It is grounding and promotes a feeling of calmness and relaxation. It soothes the irritations, leaving a refreshing sensation. I diffuse this oil several times a week if the forest just did not make it on my schedule this week. It brings nature to me in times that I cannot make it to her. It helps me deal with the stressors that are affecting all of us right now. So practice a little Shinrin-yoku for yourself sometime. And when you can't, open up your bottle of black spruce to take your mind and soul away to stand amongst those giant trees of the forest.